Okay, guys, we have to have a real conversation. Now, this week I was actually contacted by a recruiter who was actually backfilling for a role because the company hired someone and this person ended up putting in a request to go to Colombia for 6 months. One of the things he actually told me was that this is the second time they will be filling this position, and what they're finding is people come on the interview and they look really excited about the role. They say they want long term, but then when they get there, they end up asking for all this vacation time or trying to jump from city to city, state to state, or even out of the country while working. Listen, guys, these are still roles. And while you guys are complaining and saying there's no remote opportunities, this is exactly why companies is telling y'all to come back into the job. Here's the thing. I know we all want the remote role where you can work out of the country and it looks all pretty, right? But sometimes you got to start somewhere. If you just need a job, if you just need money for your family, you should be willing to do that on-site position or that hybrid position. Or even if it's remote and they don't allow you to travel, you should be willing to work that job in your state and then make vacation time so that you can travel and not be asking for 6 months off. So you guys, let's also take the responsibility and put it on ourselves. You guys are complaining in the market to the companies, but you don't realize that you are actually costing the companies money doing the things that you guys are doing. Let's be more responsible.